welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to compare these two hair straighteners. Both of these hair straightener belongs to Philips brand, and these are kind of budget hair straightener. You can purchase them within 2000 rupees. It is the BHS 386 model number hair straightener, and the other one is BHS 385 hair straightener. And guys, appearance wise both of these hair straightener looks similar, and price wise there is only 300 rupees difference. The BHS 386 hair straightener, it will cost you around 1899 rupees on Flipkart and Amazon, whereas BHS 385 hair straightener, it will cost you around 1599 rupees on Flipkart and Amazon. So there is only 300 rupees difference, and in this video we are going to see what extra feature we are going to get at the 300 price range difference. Firstly, I will share the similarities among these two hair straighteners, and then we will see the difference in between both of these hair straighteners. So this is going to be really interesting comparison video. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see, appearance wise both of the hair straightener BHS 385 and BHS 386 looks similar. You can see the fit finish and the size of both of these hair straightener looks exactly similar. So BHS 385 hair straightener, it comes in a pink color. It's kind of a nudish peachish color shade, whereas BHS 386 comes in this beautiful purple color. So I love the color of both of these hair straighteners. They are really beautiful, and fit finish of both of these hair straightener is exactly similar. Both feels compact and they look premium. They are very solid, and so both of these hair straightener comes with a maximum heat of 210 degrees Celsius temperature and the minimum heat of 190 degrees Celsius. You can adjust the temperature of both of these hair straightener as per your convenience, as per your hair texture, because both of the hair straightener comes with the temperature setting feature. Here is the slide button in BHS 385 from which you can adjust the temperature from minimum heat to the max heat, and it also comes with the power indicator. So in BHS 386 hair straightener also you will get the power button and temperature control button on the handle part. So both looks exactly similar. There is no difference. You can see both of these hair straightener comes with plate lock and unlock feature. So here is the slide button, exactly similar. The slide button is located exactly at the same place in both of the hair straightener. You can see here. So from here you can just slide it up and the straightener plate will get unlocked, and like this you can unlock the plate, and from here you can lock it. Likewise in BHS 385 also you can unlock the plate and you can lock the plate, and it's really nice feature. You know, both of these hair straightener comes with all the basic and some of the advanced features that you will need. And both of these hair straightener comes with this flat kind of fit finish plates. It's not like barrel like shape, so you can't create like a perfect curl with both any of these hair straighteners. You can actually create certain waves and pattern, but it's not very round and barrel shaped. So that's the thing about this hair straightener. I have already done like a review on these two hair straighteners separately on my channel, so you can check out the review. Here if we see the cord of both of these hair straightener, it's movable at 360. So again, both of these hair straighteners are similar. So the power cord of both of these hair straightener is exactly similar. It's not very cheap, it's kind of good quality, so it's perfectly fits to the switchboard. It doesn't comes out or get loosened during the straightenings. Usually these things happens with any other budget hair straightener from other brand, but Philips offers like a premium power cord. So both of these hair straighteners comes with the Silk Pro Care, which means you will get silky smooth plates, and the straightener will glide on smoothly throughout the straightening process, and there won't be a lot of tugging or pulling during the straightening process. So that's the advantage of Silk Pro Care. Philips offers this Silk Pro Care features in their advanced version of hair straighteners also. Let's take an example of hair straightener BHS 378 that is priced at 3695 rupees, and in that hair straighteners also you get this Silk Pro Care plates. So that's amazing, like you are getting this Silk Pro Care in these two hair straighteners. So guys, these are the similarities of both of these hair straighteners BHS 386 and BHS 385. Now I'm going to talk about the main difference in between both of the hair straighteners. We mostly get confused like whether we should buy BHS 386 or BHS 385. So the main difference and the big difference in between both of these hair straightener is the coating of this hair straightener. Philips Kerashine Advanced Hair Straightener, it comes with keratin infused ceramic coated plates, whereas Selfie Hair Straightener BHS 385, it comes with ceramic coating. It doesn't comes with keratin infused ceramic coating, so this is better in comparison with BHS 385 hair straightener for the long run usage, because keratin infused ceramic coating minimize the high heat damage, and for the long run use, if you are using the straightener regularly, it reduces the high heat damage in comparison with the ceramic coated plates. So that's the only and the main difference in between both of these hair straightener. And also BHS 386 hair straightener comes with Silk Pro Care Ionic Care, whereas BHS 385 hair straightener comes with ceramic coating, Silk Pro Care, and it doesn't comes with the Ionic Care. So what is Ionic Care, guys? Our hair is electrically charged, so whenever it comes in contact with any plastic or any kind of comb, I would say, it gets electrically charged and it gets attracted towards the comb, and certain frizziness creates on the top section of the hair, like it attracts the comb. But with these plates that comes with BHS 386 hair straightener, that comes with the Ionic Care, it does not create any kind of friction, it does not create any kind of frizz to your hair, which means it gives smooth hair straightening in comparison with the BHS 385 hair straighteners. Overall, I would say the BHS 386 hair straightener comes with really nice and high quality plates. It has all the good features that you will need for hair straightening. This hair straightener is exactly similar to Philips Kerashine HP8318 hair straightener, which is priced at 2,600 rupees. The only difference in between this hair straightener and that HP8318 hair straightener is the size of the plate. BHS 386 comes with the sleek and smaller plate, whereas HP8318 hair straightener comes with big size plate, flat and extra wide plate. And apart of that, this hair straightener BHS 386 comes with most of the good and advanced feature that you will need for the hair straightening purpose for the long run usage. This reduces the damage of high heat, and the plates are really good and smooth and suitable for your hair. So I would say, instead of buying BHS 385, you can go with BHS 386. There is only 300 rupees difference, so that's what you are paying for. And so if you are looking for a nice hair straightener, you can go with this hair straightener. If you still have any queries related to both of these hair straightener, there is a separate and dedicated video on these two hair straightener with all the details and review of these hair straighteners. You can check that video. I will link it in the description box for you guys. So guys, these are some important features that you should always keep in mind before selecting hair straightener for yourself. Keep in mind that what's your hair texture first of all, and then start selecting for your hair straightener. Always look for the temperature, always look for good coating of the hair straightener. It must be at least ceramic coating or keratin infused ceramic coating or titanium plates with ceramic coating. So these are three different kind of coatings, and among these coatings you can select a good hair straightener for yourself. And also look for the temperature, whether these temperatures are suitable for your hair texture, for your hair length or not. So overall, performance wise, both of these hair straightener is exactly similar. It takes exact same amount of time to straighten my hair. The end result is same. So you can go with any of these hair straightener. If you, let's say if you are already using BHS 385 hair straightener, then still guys, you are not missing big thing, I would say, in comparison with BHS 386 hair straightener. So it's fine, you can work with any of these two hair straightener, but still for the long run usage, you can go with the keratin infused ceramic coated plates BHS 386 hair straightener. So guys, that's all about the video and comparison in between BHS 386 and BHS 385 model number, and I hope this video was helpful for you. You can check out my other videos related to hairstyling tool, and different hair straightener belongs to different brand, functionality and price range. So I hope these videos will be helpful for you. I love doing makeup, so you can check out my makeup tutorial videos on my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram. I love to come up with all the trendy makeup looks. I love to experiment with different makeup products. So it's going to be a fun. You can check out my Instagram and you can stay connected, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye guys.